Good day everyone, and good day to all young agriculture enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle about genetically modified organisms featuring Mangifera indica, or known for its English name, mangoes. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Aryan Earl F. Arroyo of BSA 283. Genetically modified mangoes are mangoes that are genetically altered in order to create the desired output for commercially grown mangoes that are enjoyed especially in the tropical region countries. The genetic engineering used in modifying mangoes is extremely similar to papaya. This is because both mangoes and papaya possess the ACC or the ACS2 gene. This gene is responsible for producing ethylene, and the influence of ethylene on the fruit is that it controls the ripening and senescence after the fruit has been picked. The main purpose of this is to reduce the amount of ethylene produced and to lengthen the onset of this gas. The purpose of GM mangoes is to improve its taste and quality, its color, size, and reduce the maturation time, increase nutrition, increase tolerance to extreme temperatures, as well as to improve resistance to disease, pests, and herbicides. Genetically modifying mangoes extends ripening period from 10 days after harvest to 30 days, so that they could be shipped over long distances. How was this created? Scientists extract this gene from the ripe mango variety Carabao, and after they separate the gene, it is then cloned and sequenced. They can then insert the isolated gene back in the genome, and it will act as a disturbance to the enzyme calling for more ethylene to be produced. Alternately, an ACC deaminase gene is inserted, and its function is to convert ACC into a different substance, which results in less ethylene being produced. Since genetically modified mangoes are on the market, scientists are free to explore other more efficient methods of accomplishing their goal, which is to modify the mango to perfection. The Australian government and their Center for International Agricultural Research have taken a lead role in the genetic testing of both papayas and mangoes in their project country of Philippines. What are the main characteristics of GM mangoes? A variety of them are resistant to pests. Use of bioengineering has helped to save the environment and not dependent on toxic chemicals for pest control. This reduces any environmental damage created by pesticide chemicals. The pros or advantages of GM mangoes. Considering that mangoes are the second most important fruit in the tropics, it is also eaten with cereals, meats, and desserts, and a great source of vitamin A and C. The genetically modified mangoes is believed to have the following characteristics that are helpful to both farmers and consumers. First is, it is resistant to pathogens such as fungi and bacteria. It is resistant to pests such as insects. Modification will create a better flavored mango, efficient growing season, higher profit possible, and last is that it could delay the maturity of the fruit. On the other hand, these are the cons and disadvantages of GM mangoes. Scientists won't have the ability to control all of the consequences from the new GM mangoes. Second is the high degree of sensitivity, and last and most known reason why people are against is that GMOs might have environmental effects. Therefore, we are for the modification of GM mangoes because of its better taste, its larger size, and its prevention from harmful diseases and pests. Even though scientists had go through the process to change them, we conclude that it's better off to just get over the fact it's modified and eat GMOs with no problem, as it helps everyone by having a tasteful fruit to eat and for farmers to have a high profit in their production. But there is still a bigger space to fill in for research and studying about GM mangoes, to understand it better and know the other consequences that it might cause to human lives. So, will you still buy this genetically modified fruit? Will you still enjoy it like how you enjoy your regular mango, regardless if it's already genetically engineered? Kindly comment down your thoughts and share your ideas with us. Goodbye and stay safe, everyone!
GMOs could be our most powerful weapon to save our biosphere.